Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype. To know how to find the solution about Skype problems, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to the window of Skype and you click. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can mix errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.